Hi there! In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern grid poster design in Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document on these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool and draw the artboard size rectangle. Then go to the File New and Place. Select the image and click on Place. Adjust its size, right-click on it, arrange and send to the back. Select both, right-click on it, and choose Mix, Clip and Mask. Create another artboard size rectangle. Change its color to white and go to the Edit menu and copy. Then go to the Object menu, half and split the grid, add rows and columns as per your design requirements, and gotcha. Barely 4 space in between. Right-click on it and choose Group and paste the previously copied rectangle. Change its color to any color you want. In my case, I choose the orange one and send backward. Now select the boxes and orange rectangle. Open the Path Finder and click on the Divide button. Double-click on it. Go to the Magic Wand tool. Click on any white box to select the white color. Edit menu and cuts. Select the remaining lines and change the color to white. And paste the boxes. Select the first box and delete and the second. Change the third box blend mode to saturation and follow me here. Finally, click on the link File option if you want to change the image. And in this icon, select the image and link. Let's try it with another. And that's it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.